Hi everyone, I'm Chef Ravina and today we're going to learn how to make chocolate and orange energy bliss balls. So energy bliss balls are basically a pre or post workout snack. You can have them as a mid-morning or as a mid-afternoon snack as well. They have so much nutrition and they're power packed with energy, and I strongly recommend you at least have some in your fridge or freezer constantly, because then you do not crave anything sweet. This will take care of your sweet craving because it's naturally made with dates, which are so good in nutrition and minerals. So what I'm going to do first here is take about 200 grams of pitted dates. These have been soaked in hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes, and I'm going to put it into my food processor without the water. The reason that I soak it is so that they soften up and it's easier for blending. So I'm going to add this in. To this, I'm going to add 60 ml of freshly pressed orange juice. So this is orange juice that I've made in-house. It has no preservative, it's not from a store-bought package. I strongly recommend you get fresh oranges and make this yourself. I'm now going to blend this through and bring it all together like a thick paste. So as you can see, I have a really thick paste with the date and orange juice mixture, and this is exactly what I want before I go ahead and add my almond flour and cacao powder in. So I'm going to put this back. So to this mixture, I'm going to go ahead and add some almond flour. So this is almond flour that we made in-house. I've taken almonds with skin and pulsed them in a blender till I have a really fine consistency like this. So I'm going to go ahead and add that in. The next thing that I'm going to add is some cacao powder. This is where we get the chocolate flavor from. Cacao powder, as I've mentioned in my previous videos as well, is super high in magnesium and it's so great for you and your digestion. I strongly recommend you switch to this if you do use chocolate a lot at home. I'm also going to add the zest of one orange. This is the best flavor that you can give this energy ball. It'll really bring it alive and it'll give you that complete orange flavor in every bite. And the last thing I'm going to add is a pinch of sea salt flakes. The salt just basically balances the sweetness from the dates, and it's a nice way to balance this entire energy ball so that it doesn't feel overwhelmingly sweet. So my batter for my energy balls are now ready. You can see it's a nice, smooth, creamy batter. At this stage, I'm going to go ahead and remove it out on some parchment paper. I want to do this step because I want to leave this to chill in the fridge before I shape them into balls. They will firm up a lot more. So I'm going to go ahead and add that in. So you want to make sure you get all of your batter out from the food processor. Yes, it's normal for your hands to get messy at this point, but don't worry about it. You can always wash them later. So what I'm going to do now is keep this in the center of my parchment paper and just spread it out a little bit. I want to basically wrap this up and make a log shape. And when I leave this in the fridge to firm, it'll be tightly compact. This will allow it to freeze up much faster and firm up a lot more. And that's what you're waiting for. This is now ready to go in the fridge. I'm going to keep this for 30 minutes or so before I remove it out and make laddus or energy balls out of them. So my energy ball log has now been in the fridge for almost 30 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and unwrap this. So you can see it's nice and firm. And that's a good place you want it to be. Using a tablespoon, or I'm just going to use a regular teaspoon, I'm going to take some out and roll it. So you can make this at any size of your choice. I usually like to do about 15 to 20 grams. I like them bite size. You can also do up to 35 grams and then consume one a day. So that should be your goal. Do not consume more than 35 grams of this, because that's how much energy it would have. It's a good place to be at. Roll it in some almond flour. So it's normal for your hands to become chocolate in color. I mean, I'm not complaining to be honest. I love the flavor of cacao. I think it goes so well with the orange, and you will love it in this recipe. So my beautiful chocolate and orange energy balls are ready. These last for a week in the fridge and a month in the freezer, and they make for a powerful snack. Do try them out and let me know what you think. We are now 1,000 subscribers strong. I am so grateful to each and every one of you who's been watching my content, liking it, commenting on it. Please do continue doing the same. If you know anybody who wants to be plant-based, is trying a gluten-free diet, this is the channel for them. Do recommend us and keep giving us some love.